Hands-on courses are generally few and far between, so it's brilliant that we have generally 5 or 6 hands-on programs between half day and full day. And those are extremely valuable because to get those clinicians and those educators in a small group setting like that is quite rare and a really valuable offering that they have at the conference.
Well, I did the composite course yesterday, which was great, and the suturing course as well, so that was good. Great. 30 years later, I can still learn to suture.
Had a great time at the pre-conference course yesterday. Paediatrics, thought it was excellent. Very practical, hands-on, loads of tips, things you can take back to practice tomorrow.
We're going to have hands-on composite again. We're going to have a full day of facial aesthetics, and that is the way dentistry is looking forward, and there's big demand for that. We're also going to have some stuff on sedation. Again, something for everybody. You can do one topic in the morning, you can do something different in the afternoon. And then before you even start the main conference, you've ticked a lot of boxes and go, okay, that was worth going to.
The area of facial aesthetics, Botox, social media, these are all areas that weren't on the radar 10 years ago when we were preparing a conference. They very definitely are now. The whole concept of the 3 days is, what can I bring back to the practice on Monday morning that's going to make a change in my everyday practice? So that's a concept that we really want to build on over the next couple of years, so that if I'm a specialist or I'm a general practitioner, that things like the core competencies like infection control, oral radiology, medical emergencies, that they are all done during the conference, and then other areas of specialisation as well, which is really important for all dental professionals.